So another thing that I think is going to get big though is visual search. Google has already talking about how they have something called Google Lens that is basically searching with a picture, and people are doing that more and more. They already have 1 billion searches on it. So if you open the Google app on your phone, there's a little like square thing, and that's Google Lens. They haven't done any promotion, but it's already sort of taken off. And the reason for that is because it's really good at image recognition now. So you could take a picture of almost anything in your room, and Google will be able to search for similar things, identify what it is, and then search for similar things. So I see that being big for like, it's basically like baby AR, baby augmented reality. Yeah. I can see that being like a real thing, and that's like more in the 5-year thing where we're wearing like a Google Glass, but like a 2.0 version that just augments stuff you're looking at. I don't think that's far off, because if you use Google Lens, you're going to be like, this is the future.
Yeah, like Google Lens, they launched Google Lens like, must have been 10 years ago or something. Everyone freaked out because it was, extremely invasive on everyone's privacy. I think we've come quite a long way since then, and I think everyone's going to be okay with it now, especially if it's $100, which is, I think, it was like $500 at the time, or $700 at the time. That's interesting.